Hi everybody, this is Ryan. I'm back from the video. This time we're going to talk a little bit about week number 5. So let's get started. So here's our home screen. Again, I want to point out the announcements to you. Make sure your notifications are turned on so you're receiving announcements via email. So let's get started. So let's go to modules and let's scroll down to module 5. We'll take a look at what's due in week 5. So as usual, here's where this video will go. You have your to-do list. So essentially this week you have a quiz. Make sure on your quiz that you send me your work so I can give you partial credit. You have 2 homework assignments, homework 9, which is over section 2.3, and homework 10, which is over section 8.1. And you also are going to have a midterm on October 9th, so we need to start preparing for that. Here are your PDFs of your lessons if you want to watch some videos of the content and me talking you through those. There they are. You can watch those. That's another thing. I did have several questions about the videos. There's lots of videos posted in Canvas about this site. I would kind of focus the videos. You can watch these. These are actually topic specific to what you're learning in MyLab Math. So these are probably good videos to watch on the content. Then I also post videos at the bottom under additional content. Those are on a list of what you should watch. Those are probably third. I also post videos in from MyLab Math you should watch, but you should see those as part of your study plan. And also there's videos posted in the announcement. So there's 4 places that you're getting videos. You don't have to watch them all. I would kind of rank them, like these are probably the top ones, and then the videos in MyLab Math are the next ones. And then after that, probably the videos and the announcements, and then the additional videos that are posted in Canvas are probably 3rd and 4th. So again, you have to watch everything because there's a lot, but there is a lot of resources if you need help. Here's your quiz. This quiz is over these sections. Make sure when you take your quiz in MyLab Math, you work your problems on paper, and then send me that. Take pictures of it and send it to me via email. Here's your section videos, and these videos, again, you don't need to watch them all. You can kind of pick through which ones you want to watch. But these are actually from Pearson that connect directly to your book. Here's your e-text on 2.3. Here's your homework on homework 9. Here's a few more videos, and again, you need to watch all of these. Just pick out the ones that you need help on. Here's your e-text. Here's your homework. And then I want to talk a little about the finals, or the midterm is coming up. Your midterm is coming up in October. Take a look at this, and we will take it on Respondus. So make sure you take the Respondus sample test. If you don't want to take it online through Respondus, you live in the Wichita area, you can go take it at Newman. I just need to know that. But take a look at this. You do get a cheat sheet. You get 2 hours for your final. You can have an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper for notes or scratch or as a cheat sheet. There's 2 formula sheets that you can take a look at. This is one for the midterm. Make sure you print that out. You can use that. You can actually use the other side for your cheat sheet if you want to. But kind of walk through this and see what you think about the midterm. If you have questions, let me know. And then here's a bunch of videos for that are just extra. Hope you enjoyed the class. If you have questions, please let me know. Thanks. Bye.